Did you know there's a treatment that uses tiny messengers from stem cells to awaken your follicles, and another that uses light to do the exact same thing? Let's dive into the world of exosomes and low-level laser therapy to see which one might be your hair's best new friend. I'm Dr. Farmah, your go-to guide for all things hair restoration here at the Hair Revive Clinic. Today we're comparing two fascinating treatments, exosomes and low-level laser therapy. Both promise thicker, healthier hair, but which one's right for you? Let's find out. What is it and how does it work? First of all, exosomes. These are tiny vesicles that are great at playing postman. They deliver proteins, lipids, and genetic material directly to your scalp cells, driving the hair restoration. Think of them as the ultimate courier service for your hair follicles. Now, LLT, this treatment uses low-intensity lasers or LEDs to stimulate cellular function in the scalp. It works by photobiomodulation, basically using light to power your cells like solar panels, boosting ATP production and improving blood circulation directly to the hair roots. Exosomes are great for those looking for non-surgical hair rejuvenation and combating thinning hair. However, steer clear if you have active scalp infections, cancer, or severe autoimmune conditions. For low-level light therapy, it's perfect if you're dealing with mild to moderate hair loss. But if you have photosensitivity disorders or active scalp cancers, it's best to avoid it. What does the procedure involve? Well, with exosomes, you're looking at either topical application or our typical micro-channeling. There's minimal downtime, but you need to be patient. The magic happens over weeks as your hair follicles regenerate. Low-level light therapy, on the other hand, is quick and painless, usually done in 20 to 30-minute sessions. You need several sessions for best results, with gradual improvement with hair density and thickness. What are the expected results and the timeline? With exosomes, expect to see prolonged hair growth cycle, a healthier scalp environment, and revitalized hair follicles. Low-level light therapy is FDA cleared specifically for hair loss treatment, leading to increased hair count and a thicker hair shaft. Patience is a key with both. Hair takes time to grow. Exosomes are generally safe, but make sure they're from reputable sources to avoid immune reactions. Low-level light therapy is also highly safe, but you should avoid it if you're taking photosensitizing medications, especially those that might affect how your scalp reacts to life. Here's a myth to debunk. Exosomes aren't stem cells. They're derived from stem cells, acting as the messengers, but not the whole post office. When choosing a provider, ensure they're using CE marked devices for low-level light therapy, and that the exosomes are sourced ethically and legally. Always consult a qualified professional at a dedicated center like the Hair Revive Clinic. So whether you're leaning towards exosomes or low-level light therapy, remember, both have their unique benefits for hair regrowth. Have you tried either of these treatments? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into hair restoration. See you next time.